Grab a steal on this 2014 Nissan Quest before someone else takes it home. Comfortable but easy moving, its dependable variable transmission and its strong regular unleaded V6 3.5L/213 engine have lots of zip for a value price. It's outfitted with the following options: electronic stability control, ESC, tailgate rear door lock included with power door locks, HVAC incorporated, under-seat ducts, auxiliary rear heater and headliner pillar ducts, airbag occupancy sensor, steel spare wheel, manual tilt telescoping steering column, driver footrest, fixed rear window with fixed interval wiper and defroster, gas pressurized shock absorbers, body-colored rear bumper. You've done your research, so stop by Benton Nissan at 1834 Highway 7080, Oxford, Alabama, 36203 this weekend to get a deal that no one can beat.